Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore a fascinating topic that's super useful for anyone looking to boost their personal influence and charisma without using words. That's right, we'll talk about how to make yourself more attractive using nonverbal language and attitude in daily life. Have you ever noticed how some people just stand out, even without saying a word? They walk into a room, and everyone notices. That's what we're going to discuss today. How to develop that magnetic presence that draws attention and interest while keeping a low profile. Get ready to learn practical tips that will boost your self-esteem, convey calm and confidence, and show how a well-timed smile can open more doors than many words. Mastering these skills can significantly improve your social interactions, networking, and personal relationships. If you want to be that person who lights up the room without speaking, stay with us. We'll break down each step and tip so you can start applying them today and see the results in your life. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Now, let's dive into the tips for being attractive in silence. 1. High self-esteem. High self-esteem isn't just about feeling good about yourself. It's a key to your presence and interactions with the world. It shines through in everything you do. How can we maintain and cultivate strong self-esteem? First, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each success boosts your confidence. Take care of yourself physically and mentally. Exercise regularly and eat healthily to feel better inside and out. Surround yourself with positive people who support and encourage you. Avoid those who constantly criticize, as they can damage your self-confidence. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you fail or doubt. Understand that mistakes are part of growth and learning. Invest in personal development. Read, attend workshops, and listen to podcasts that inspire you to improve your skills. The more competent you feel, the more confident you become. Remember, building high self-esteem is an ongoing journey of self-care and growth. By focusing on these aspects, you'll improve how you feel about yourself and how others perceive your confident presence. 2. Sense of humor. A sense of humor is one of the most endearing qualities, especially when it comes to being attractive without words. Laughing together creates an instant connection. How can you display humor without always telling jokes? Humor goes beyond jokes. It's a lighthearted way of looking at life, finding the fun in everyday situations. This can be conveyed through a smile, a funny facial expression, or the ability to laugh at yourself. Self-irony shows you don't take yourself too seriously, making others feel more at ease around you. Share silent moments of humor with a glance or gesture. Exchange looks when something funny happens. These moments speak volumes. Actively listen and laugh at others' jokes. This not only lifts the mood, but also strengthens relationships. Adapt your humor to your environment. What works with one group may not be appropriate in another. Being able to adjust shows social intelligence, making you more attractive. 3. Transmit your charisma. Charisma isn't just about what you say, but how you behave and interact without words. Focus on your presence. Be fully present in any situation. This can be incredibly attractive and communicate confidence. Body language plays a crucial role. An open posture, firm eye contact, and meaningful gestures project trust and empathy. Be approachable and responsive. Smile with your eyes, nod, and use small gestures to show engagement. Authenticity is key. Be genuine in your reactions and interactions. People are drawn to those who are real and sincere. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words and leave a lasting impression. 4. Smile, always. A smile is a powerful, universal expression that breaks down barriers. It conveys warmth, openness, and positivity. Smiling genuinely makes you approachable and friendly. It's contagious, lifting the mood of those around you and strengthening social connections. Smiling also improves your health by releasing endorphins, making you feel happier and reducing stress. Make sure your smile is authentic and take care of your oral health for a confident, bright smile. 5. Maintain an upright posture. Good posture signals confidence and self-esteem. An upright posture not only improves your health but also impacts how others see you. Stand tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and hold your head high. Good posture improves breathing, reduces stress, and positively influences your state of mind, making you more attractive. 6. Looking into the eyes. Eye contact conveys confidence, interest, and empathy. It shows you're focused and engaged, making others feel valued. Eye contact builds trust and creates a sense of intimacy. Practice natural, relaxed eye contact to avoid making others uncomfortable. 7. Exude calm and security. In a stressful world, being calm and secure is incredibly attractive. Manage your stress with practices like meditation and exercise. Maintain relaxed body language, speak in a steady tone, and be a good listener. Dress neatly and be empathetic. These qualities make others feel safe and valued. 8. Have good intentions. Good intentions create a magnetic aura. Be kind and genuine. Help others without expecting anything in return, and be honest and transparent. These actions build trust and positive relationships. Show empathy, patience, and forgiveness to strengthen your connections. 9. Kindness. Kindness is timeless and universally attractive. Small acts of kindness, respect, and consideration make a big impact. Be an active listener, supportive, and encouraging. True kindness is genuine and selfless, inspiring others to be kind in return. 10. Engage in physical activities. Physical activities improve your health and appearance, boosting your confidence. Exercise reduces stress and increases happiness. Participate in social activities to meet new people and improve your social skills. Physical activities showcase your discipline and commitment, enhancing your attractiveness. Conclusion. Nonverbal attractiveness involves good posture, eye contact, calm demeanor, kindness, and physical activity. These elements shape how others perceive you and can significantly boost your appeal. By focusing on these qualities, you can improve your attractiveness without saying a word and build deeper connections and meaningful relationships.